Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of ketones, and preparation of ketones is possible in three ways according to this context. The first one is from the acyl chlorides. So when acyl chloride, which already has a C double bond O in it, so acyl chloride is treated with dialkyl cadmium, and this in turn gives us the respective ketones. With you see here there will be two alkyl chains now, so this is the difference here. The carbon number will increase in the product side. But for that we have to undergo one more reaction, for which we are going to prepare the dialkyl cadmium, and this can be prepared by Grignard reagent, which is RMgX. R is, you already know, it is an alkyl chain, X is the halide, and Mg is magnesium, right? So this is the Grignard reagent, and with the help of this Grignard reagent we will treat the cadmium chloride and we will get dialkyl cadmium. Clear? This MgX is substituted by cadmium, and this MgX is bonded with Cl, so you will get MgXCl, and there are two molecules or 2 moles of MgXCl. So first we have to prepare the dialkyl cadmium, and with the help of dialkyl cadmium we will prepare the ketone. This is the R dash, which is already there in the acyl chloride, and this R is from the dialkyl cadmium, and we will get cadmium chloride as the byproduct. So this chloride means there are total 2 chlorides, no, because here 1 2 is there, so this chloride is substituted by the R and R, and this chloride will bond with the CD. You will get cadmium chloride. The next preparation is from nitrile. So this is a nitrile compound, because you see this is the portion R, that is the alkyl chain, and C triple bond N. So this is the functional group which determines a compound that it is nitrile. So C triple bond N, and one single bond will be with the carbon in the alkyl chain. So this is the nitrile, and if we treat this nitrile with the Grignard reagent, you see here again this C6H5, this is the R portion, here it is aryl, okay, MgBr. So this is the Grignard reagent, it is RMgX like the previous one, and it is done in the presence of ether. What we will get here, note very carefully that here C triple bond N is there, but now it will break. C double bond N and C single bond, this portion will break into R MgBr. Okay, so this MgBr will attach with the nitrogen, and this C6H5, that is the aryl group, will attach with the carbon. So you will get C double bond N MgBr and C single bond C6H5. okay, then it is hydrolyzed. This compound is hydrolyzed, or it is treated with water, and what you will get C2H5 C double bond O C6H5. This whole portion is substituted by oxygen, and this is the ketone. You know, a ketone compound is having the functional group C double bond O, right? And the name of this compound is 1-phenyl propanone. So you see from this nitrile how we can prepare the ketone. The name is 1-phenyl propanone. First of all, you have to understand that a nitrile compound is C triple bond N. Clear? Total 3 bond is there. Here also we cannot change the valency of carbon, right? So around carbon total 4 bonds should be there, 4 atoms should be there. And here also 4 atoms are there, but the thing is that here C double bond and here C single bond in this side. So total this side just 3 only. And C6H5 is attached with carbon, and MgBr is attached with nitrogen. Clear? And then it is hydrolyzed, and this total group is replaced by oxygen. The next one is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So here also you will use acyl chloride. Now we will take a benzene. You see how we will convert the benzene into the respective ketone. So benzene is treated with acyl chloride, and when we talk about acyl chloride, the R can be a benzene ring, that is your aryl group, or it can be linear chain, that is designated with R, okay, alkyl group. So it can be both, but what is common is that C double bond O Cl must be there in order to be acyl. Clear? Acyl chloride. Next, both these two atoms is treated under the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anhydrous means dry. There is no presence of water or moisture in the compound. So anhydrous aluminum chloride is used as a reagent. You will get as a catalyst, and what you will get, a benzene ring is there, but one hydrogen from this corner, from one hydrogen is replaced by C double bond O A R R, okay. It means this portion this attached or is substituting the hydrogen present here, and the bond is formed with this carbon. Clear? And what is being eliminated? This is eliminated, okay. And since we are talking that this hydrogen is replaced, right, so that hydrogen and this Cl will together form the hydrochloric acid as the byproduct. And what is attached? This portion is attached, okay, with this one. Here one hydrogen is there, that hydrogen is replaced, and here the bond is formed between carbon and here that carbon. Clear? So this is how we will get a ketone from the benzene ring, and this is a very important reaction, and the name is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction.